Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000, and who couldn't use that nowadays? Back to the main event, we're excited to be taking you on a tour of this gorgeous 2019 Ram 2500 Crew Cab 4x4 that just recently arrived. Under the hood, you're going to find the very powerful 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine. That's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's shown in that classic bright white, which pairs beautifully with all of the chrome, including the back and front bumpers and those 18-inch chrome-clad wheels. Those wheels are also housing a brand new set of DURATRAC all-terrain tires. This does also come with the optional protection group, which gives you the tow hooks and the transfer case skid plate, and as you can see, this is a long box. This has been fully safetied and inspected. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So we'll just give you a quick shot of these wheels and tires. You do get a factory key helping you in. Signal light indicators on the mirrors, which is a wonderful safety feature. Once inside, a gorgeous interior, power mirrors, windows, and locks. Lots of storage in the door as well. Again, side steps helping you in. Your driver's seat's fully adjustable with lumbar support, and you get this gorgeous premium cloth throat. This vehicle also holds 6 passengers. Cruise control and shifting options on your right, on your left, Bluetooth and hands-free and dash selection. Fully automatic headlights on the left, as well as a tilt option for your steering wheel. The mileage currently sits at 41,246 kilometers currently. You also have a large menu of information you can scroll through. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. Push button start, your dial shifting knob with your 4x4 options. Nice clean dash area, RAM detailing up top with a 12-volt port. Outlet rather is probably a better word for that. Into your entertainment system. For your radio, you do have AM and FM capability, and then for your media, you can connect through USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. There is a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone, compass, settings, and more, including your backup camera. And then you have your climate control with air conditioning, your trailer brake control, tow haul. You have a pull-out drawer with some additional storage and all of your media ports down below. 3 large cup holders, lots of space in your center console, and again, that does lift up to give you that 6-person capability. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything is in excellent condition throughout. Glove compartment down below, up above illuminated vanity mirrors, and sunglass storage, as well as interior cabin lighting. Now, as we head into the back, remember this is a crew cab, so you have tons of space, lots of storage in the door. Again, side steps extending, helping you in. So 3 seats back here. This is a 60-40 split. The bottoms lift up easily to reveal additional storage on either side, and you do get this panel that folds out and secures so you can get a nice flat traveling surface. There's also storage behind the seats. And then as we head into the back bed, it is lined for added durability. Again, you can see this is a long box, tie-down hooks in the 4 corners. So overall, that was just a very quick tour, but this truck has a ton to offer. Again, if you have any questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.